Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'll be showing you guys my easy go-to hairstyle. So I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and I'm just going to go ahead and part the front section of my hair, and I'll be parting that in a box or a square parting. So I'm just going to use my little duck clip to hold my hair out of the way, and also use my hair tie to get the back part of my hair. So now I'm just going to make a center part going down towards my face, and I'm going to try to neaten up my part as much as possible. I'm making a second part, and for this hairstyle I will be making a part on each side of my center part. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm only going to show you one side, so yeah, I'm basically going to do the same thing on the other side. So here I took the Nitro Canadian wax and I put that on the base of my hair, and then I parted it out so that I can look much neater. And I do detangle my hair before I go ahead and start my cornrow. So it's simple. You just cornrow your hair going back to where the parting stops towards the back of your head. Simple. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make 4 cornrows towards the front of my hair. Again, I am basting my hair with my hair wax, and then I start cornrowing, and I just do this for all my braids to help with the neatening process. I always go in with a hair wax or a edge control so that my hair does not fly all over the place while I'm doing my cornrow. Okay, so once you have your 4 braids down, I'm just going to go ahead and take my hair tie down and prepare my hair for putting it up into my high puff. So I'm taking the Eco Styler gel, and this is the argan oil Eco Styling gel, and I'm just going to add that around my hair and smooth it in. And I also went in with my double-sided brush and I further smooth my hair and brush it up into the direction that I want my hair to go, so that it will be easier when I am tying my hair up. So now I'm going to take my little hair tie, this little string here, to put my hair up into my high puff. I really like using a string or a hair tie to put my hair up, because this gives my hair a really fluffy puff, and it also adds there's no tension whenever I use this to pull my hair up. So I really like using this hair tie when compared to using a scrunchie. It makes my puff really huge. So I'm going in with the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink hair gel, and I'm just going to drag my fingers through my hair with the gel to kind of coil my hair up. And I'm mostly doing this towards the front part of my hair, because as you guys could see my hair had a little bit of curl to it, but I wanted the front to have more of a defined curl so that it kind of can blend in just a little bit. It will be kind of like a wash and go, but not really. So that's the look that I was kind of looking going for. So now I'm going back in with the Nitro Canada hair wax to like slay my edges, and I give you guys like real time of me like doing my edges, like how long it takes me to do, like so I'm just like doing my swoops, and also I like use my edge brush to brush the excess product back into my hair and like smooth my hair, and this kind of like created a wavy look, you know. And I also brushed up the back. So once my edges are laid down, I use my kerchief to like tie that down to keep them into place, so that when they dry up they don't curl back up. And then I go over with my hair scarf and I tie down the rest of my hair to reduce frizz and flyaways. So, and I keep this on for like until I finish my makeup, guys, honestly, and probably that's like half an hour to an hour. So now I'm just taking that down, and as you guys can see, my hair is like frizz free and really nice, but my puff shrunk up, so right here I'm just kind of like pulling it out a little bit, and then I remove my kerchief, and as you guys can see, like my edges are like super flat, so I went over with my edge brush just to like kind of wake it up a little bit and also soften up those baby hairs so that it can like not look so stiff. So that's what I'm doing, and this is the finished result, you guys. Hope you guys like this simple go-to hairstyle today, and I really like the way that it came out. It's looking real cute, and I'm rocking my natural hair, which is like the best ever. And like, if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.